Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the copy module in Python, where we'll explore the difference between deep and shallow copy operations. Now before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. In Python, the copy module provides functions for creating copies of Python objects. Understanding how these functions work and the difference between a shallow copy and a deep copy is important for managing your data correctly. A shallow copy constructs a new object and inserts references to the objects found in the original. Let's go ahead and take a look at an example. Here, we made a shallow copy of a list of lists. When we modify the original list, the changes are reflected in the copy because both are referring to the same inner lists. A deep copy, on the other hand, constructs a new object and then recursively inserts copies of it into the objects found in the original. Let's go ahead and modify our example to use a deep copy. Alright, in this case, when we modify the original list, the deep copy remains unchanged. That's because it contains separate copies of the inner list, not just references. Alright, so that's going to be, or let's go ahead and run that, make sure it works. So that's going to be a basic overview of Python's copy module and the difference between deep and shallow copy operations. Understanding these concepts is critical for effective data management in Python. If you guys found this video helpful, drop a like down below and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Catch you in the next one.